If you'd like to learn how to make cob and eventually make a cob accent wall in your house to put decorations on, to make as artsy and fanciful as you like, stay tuned. I'm going to go through a series, and hopefully by the end of this series, I'll have some really nice artwork on this wall to show you guys just how flexible and creative you can get with cob.
Look at that. One. Now we're gonna watch them from right here, folks.
It's hard to really give an accurate recipe for cob because cob is specialized to your area in terms of the sand you use, the clay you have. This is all supposed to be sustainable. It's supposed to be a way to make walls, make entire houses with the materials around your land. I did a 1-to-2 ratio, 1 part clay, 2 part sand, and I added straw as needed. I like to put more straw than most people do that I've seen online, and that is a good way for me to fill up more volume because I do not have a lot of clay in my area, so I have to go out and find it, and this is just a way for me to still have a good amount of clay, still have workability in my cob, but also get more of that volume that I need. So ideally you just want your cob to hold form. If you put it into a ball, it's going to stay in a ball. Alright guys, so I hope that has helped you with how to make cob, what you should be looking for in your soil, and what you should be looking for in terms of workability in your cob. I'm sorry for any of the angles and production of this video. Eventually I will have all of my camera set up, and I'll be able to get some really good quality videos again. Till then, I'm doing everything on my phone. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned if you are interested in any of this stuff that I'm doing right now, because I have to work on this to get ready, to get my home ready. So I'll be working on this a lot, and then I'll be back to making pottery videos afterwards. But I think that this does connect with my channel because I will be putting a lot of art onto my walls. And you can use clay to do all of this stuff. And I really think it's cool. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the next one.